Day 7, and we're on our way to Kukunari Beach. We're in the bus. This is their public bus. Calimera! We're now here at Kukunari Beach. Calimera! Yes, everyone! Andito na tayo sa very expensive beach. 40 euros for sunbed. Sana naman hindi, di ba? Kasi hindi namin afford yung 40. Medyo 50 euro na lang for the next 3 days yung meron kami ngayon. Good luck sa credit card namin. Kumain na nga po ako nung oats na baon ko. Tapos chichirya na lang kapag nagugutom ka, gano'n. Ay, hindi, meron. Ito na ba yung kukuna? Ay, ganda ng sunbed. Gusto ko yung sunbed. Kaya pala mahal. Wait. Ano to? Banana Beach. Oy, picture mo ako dito. Ito yung favorite ko beach. Yeah, alam nyo na. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-explain. Kukunari yun. Ay, we need sun, girl. Kailangan nating abutan tong araw na to kasi baka mamaya wala na siya. Guys, bakit naman ganito? Lahat na lang ng... Ay! Uy! Lahat na lang papatek. Mag-hike na naman kami, we. Dito. Gusto lang naman namin ng beach. Bakit papanik? Hindi nyo, ganyan siya kataas. Okay. Sana walang bear. Hulas na naman ako bago ako makarating ng beach. Ano ba yan? hindi pa ako nakakapag-relax. Hulas na agad. Okay. Bye. See you naked. Pero bakit? Oh, ayan, diba? Pababa na naman siya ngayon. Namundok na lang po kami. Gusto lang namin mag-beach, pero bakit may hike? Bakit lagi may hiking? It better be because the walk.
Llamas.
Yeah, how? How do you
Llamas.
say llamas?
Yeah, llamas.
Llamas.
Wait.
Exactly.
Llamas!
Okay? 50 euros. 50.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay.
It's very... Finally, it's sunny again. We're back in town after a beach hopping today, and we're here at this place. I don't know what it's... I don't know how you say this, but we're here. It's like a park. There's a black swan. This is the first time I've seen a black swan. Hey guys! It is our day 8 here in Greece and our third day in Skiatos. Today is Bay's birthday and she's having her me time at the beach. And me, I'm starting my day at 12:30 in the afternoon. Yes. So I was just too exhausted to go to the beach. So I decided to stay at the room, and now I feel like having lunch. So I'm gonna go out and try this restaurant that I saw. It's called Salt and Pepper. Looks promising, but I will update you how it tastes or if it's good. So yeah, but now I have to figure out how am I gonna leave this key for Bay to get in. So yeah, bye. Okay, I finally figured out where to put the keys, and now off we go. But first, I already saw the bus pass by, so another 15 minutes, so it's gonna be like 12:40 something. But first, we're gonna get coffee. So this is what I love about our hotel, because there is a supermarket close by, like just across the street. So now I got my coffee. We tried this yesterday. It was actually good and cheaper than that Starbucks ready made coffee. Now I'm walking to the bus stop, hoping that I won't wait that long. The weather today is so gorgeous. It's like balance of hot sunny day and like cold, not cold breeze, but a nice breeze. So here is Salt and Pepper. Live Greek music Tuesday and Friday. Ooh, cool. Oh no, they're closed. Epic fail. They're closed. Oh no, I think places here are closed. Oh no, maybe not. Here's it. That's the entrance. Nice. I don't know if they're open once here. Okay, that was an epic fail. They're closed. So I think I'm gonna take another bus to go to town. So yeah, bye. Okay, I found another restaurant, and this time I checked what time they're gonna open it. They're gonna open at 1 and it's like 4:57. They're almost there. It's like on the top of the hill. Okay, here's the restaurant. And this is the view. Wow. Okay, another failed attempt. The internet was wrong. They said they're gonna open at 1, but they're gonna open at 6 p.m. It seems like places here close at this time because even the bar in our hotel is closed at this time and gonna open back at 6:30 in the evening. So I probably gonna have another gyro for lunch. So yeah, I'll see you guys where I found my gyro. Hey guys, so we are heading to town to eat. At this point, I don't mind to eat anything anymore. Maybe I'll have some gyros. So yeah, see you guys in town. Hey guys, we are now here at the port. It's around 1 p.m. The weather is very nice. Like it's hot, but it's breezy, so you won't get burned. Or maybe yeah. So I'm just gonna try and look for that plane spotting area so that we can watch airplanes landing there. Hi. What a view. So I'm walking towards where the plane spotting is and saw this restaurant and it has a very nice view and it's like on top of the ocean. This view is just amazing. Oh my god, look at this pasta. So yummy. Bon appetit, you guys. Wait, maybe I will not eat from this plate. Bae, I wish you're here, bae. So good. You really know that the fish here are like so fresh. Okay, I'm gonna continue my eating here, guys. So, bye. See you later. Hey guys, we are here at the airport at the plane spotting area here in Skiatos to watch an airplane landing at around. Oh my god, here's an airplane taking off. Oh. Taking off. Oh my god. Kaya nga. Okay, plane spotting check. It's done. I'm not happy though because we only saw a small airplane. Maybe today if we have time or tomorrow on our way to the airport we'll do it again. But right now we're here in town, killing time before Bay's tattoo schedule at 7. Yeah, maybe we should get an ice cream because it's very hot today. They said Frego is the best ice cream here in Skiatos. So they said this is the best ice cream in Skiatos.
What's up, Fredo?
Freddo gelato from Fregio. Cheers. Wait, I need to. Oh my god. Sorry, JUC. I think I found my affogato. This is like coffee float. So good. If ever you're in Skiatos, you have to try this Regio. I knew it was the best the first time I saw it. Someone's getting a tattoo.
Não me interessa, eu tô indo pra praia. Não me interessa.
So I decided to walk around while Bay is getting a tattoo and look at what I found. So nice. Our last night here in Skiatos. I'm exhausted, to be honest. Like, so exhausted. I can't even talk anymore. Day 9 and we're leaving Skiatos. I'm very sad, but at the same time, I'm excited to be back home. But we're not going back to Abu Dhabi yet. We're heading back to Athens and we're gonna stay there for another 3 or 2.5 days because we're leaving on Monday night and we'll be back in Abu Dhabi like Tuesday morning. Now it's 10:30 and we're gonna head to town, get some gyros, and then go straight to the airport. Who's sad? It's us. Oh! Kahit ready na tayong umuwi, sad pa rin na uwi na tayo. We don't wanna leave.
So, where's your CV?
I'm sending an email. This is my favorite. Ooh.
From now on.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you. I don't wanna go.
I know. Next year, again here or September?
Yes. Maybe we will try September if we're coming back.
This September already?
We'll see. Bye. Bye, Villa Carina. I'm really so sad right now. Getting some gyros to go. Bay is waiting for the bus at the bus stop while I'm getting some gyros for us to take away for the airport, and maybe I'll get some coffee too. So see you guys at the airport. Heading to the airport now, and look who's our bus driver. He's the bus driver from day 1 that we arrived in Skiatos. And, ooh, it's nice to see him. He's very nice. Be, nasisipunks mo na ba? We're going to the airport. This is it. Parang yung pagpunta natin dito, when we came to Skiatos, it was exciting. But now that we're going to Athens, it's sad because we're leaving. We're going back to Abu Dhabi. But a part of me is excited as well to go back. I miss Thomas so much. Hello from the land of gods. We're now in Athens. And we're like zero energy. We want to go out, but we don't know where we're gonna get our energy. Sometimes we don't talk anymore.
Because we're so tired.
We want to go out tonight to like check the Plaka street. It's like the street we walked in Baku, right?
Yeah.
But just so tired.
Body doesn't want.
Yeah. Not even coffee can fix us. So
tired.
yeah, but hopefully tomorrow we can like tour you around Athens. It's gonna be a different scenery here.
The historical Athens.
That is if I'm going to Acropolis. I can't do the hike anymore. Like I don't know if I'm saying that now because I'm too tired. Maybe I can tomorrow. I don't know. But I have like if I'm going, I need to get the ticket like now. Cause it's gonna be busy. So
And the leather, it's exhausted as well.
yeah, yeah.
It's not the same as the past few days.
It's hotter here in Athens, right? Yeah, it's hotter here. I really do want to go out, but I don't know where I'm gonna get my energy. So, yeah. We'll update you in case we go out
The plan
or
tonight is to watch a movie.
yeah.
Movie night.
And earlier we went to the wrong building. We
11 minutes.
walked for 11 minutes and we got to the wrong building.
And it's like 11 minutes away by car.
Yeah, and then we have to go from there to the right one, to the right hotel, which is 11 minutes by car, which is like almost 30 minutes walking. So,
No, an hour.
is it an hour?
Yeah, that's what it
So,
says.
yeah, an hour. So, probably walk for 2 hours. Oh, Lord, give me energy, please. Anyways, we'll update you guys if in case things change or if in case plans change. Bye!